What is up, you guys? It's your boy Corey, and we are back with another video. I know it's been a minute since I did a POV. It's just been so much going on, man. So much stuff going on, and so many things happening all at one time. I also been on like a weight loss little kick for past couple months, so I'm down like 110 pounds. So just been trying to, like, you know, all right, this guy's going way too slow, jeez. But yeah, man, just been trying to do that and trying to just balance that with school and work and everything else pretty much. All right, let's get a quick little pull. I know it's been a minute since I did one. All right, let's see. I'm also thinking of getting an exhaust on the car soon, so let's see. It's crazy though, like I've gotten so used to this car that sometimes I forget how loud it is. I'll probably include a clip here on someone else's channel that I follow him on IG, and yeah, I seen his channel, and there was a clip in there where he pulled up at the light and he's like, yo, I follow you on IG, whatever. And I was like, oh shit, that's cool, I like your car, whatever. And then I did a pull right at the light, and I couldn't believe how loud it sounded. Like, I don't know, I think like Chevy does a really good job with these windows, because it sounds completely silent in here, and my car is in sport mode right now. So Chevy does a really good job of making it to where you can't really hear the car. Like, even stepping on it like that, you didn't really hear it. Especially on video, it's not as loud. Like in person, it's a lot louder, but now you can really hear it. But they do a good job of like making sure the noise is not too crazy. But yeah, man, I wanted to film a POV finally, because I haven't filmed the POV in so long. So it was only right. So I'm getting ready to go on a run today. But I'm like, let me just film a POV, because I haven't filmed a POV in I don't even know how long, honestly. It's been probably about a month, I'd say. Because I was still filming before, but I just wasn't filming every day like how I was. When I first started this channel, I was filming every day. It was crazy. The amount I spent on gas just to film those POVs were insane, man. Insane. But hey, the only plus that comes from that is I get a lot of oil changes free. So that's the best plus about my dealership. So I'll probably do a quick little pull for you guys too. The car is nice and clean too. I just cleaned this bitch, so let's see. Going to the right, let's see. They had the same idea. I'm gonna get an exhaust soon. I'm trying to work with this company on doing a little sponsorship for it. So I'll get back to you guys soon. But yeah, I'm debating on if I should go titanium. I also want to keep the valves with the OEM system, so that's why I'm not trying to go too crazy. I'm trying to keep the valves so that way it's not going to throw any check engine light. So I've been hearing a lot about this Borla Attack exhaust. There's a bunch of straight pipe options that I could go with that sound crazier and it's cheaper, but it's gonna throw me a check engine light. So and I'm really not in the mood to go to a tuner, get it tuned, get that code, clear it out, pay the extra money. Like, it's just not worth it. So I'd rather just pay the money for that boiler exhaust and then deal with everything else. So yeah, I just wanted to do a POV for you guys today. I'll probably end it after I go to that tunnel down there, so we'll see. Drive. Like, it's so easy to just drive your car. But yeah, it's probably not even turning. See, I knew it was not even turning. But yeah, we should get a good tunnel video for this one. I'll probably put it in Z mode so it's the loudest option that it's on. Oh yeah, and it's open. We got a little tunnel action. Alright, let's see. Let's see real quick. Okay, ready? Let's get it. I'm not gonna lie, man, this car is so good. Like, there's times it even just snaps. Like, I was under a different tunnel in Miami, and I just did it like a loud rev, and it was like, what? It just popped. So I don't know. There's times it pops, and times it doesn't do anything. So it just depends. But yeah, that's the end of the POV. I just wanted to do a quick little POV for you guys because I know it's been forever. I haven't recorded a POV in I don't even know how long. That's how long it's been. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you guys want to see. I'll probably go to some more meets and stuff like that to get some content, so definitely let me know. But yeah, man, I appreciate you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more.